Installation tests can be performed simultaneously, and the values will be evaluated against the limit value. When all circuits are connected in parallel and the main switch is in the off position, the insulation of the entire building is being tested between the line to protective earth and neutral to protective earth. Spot reading is supported for complex installations where high capacitance is present when testing the insulation of the entire building from the switchboard side. The Eurotest family of products is designed with safety, reliability, and ease of use in mind, and that is what Auto Sequence is all about. METREL installation testers bring unique solutions with built-in tables of fuses and RCD parameters. When a line test is performed, the measured value is automatically compared to the maximum value set out in the standard EN61557, and either a pass or fail symbol will appear on the screen to inform the user the result is within the required limits. Eurotest models XA and AT show the main result and several sub-results on the upper part of a large, high-resolution screen. Below the main results, all adjusted parameters, important warnings, and symbols with a continuously active 3-channel voltage monitor are visible. One-phase and three-phase voltage systems are supported with phase sequence rotation, polarity, and 3-channel voltage and frequency monitoring. RCD trip-out time on all limit values of 1/2, full, and 5 times nominal current will be automatically compared from the standardized characteristics stored in the instrument for standard type or selective type of RCD. Trip-out current test with ramp could be executed for AC, A, F, B, or B+ type of RCD. Line and loop impedances with RCD trip lock function and prospective short loop circuit current calculation, now also with newest voltage drop calculation. Instruments designed with the future in mind.